Good afternoon, everybody. Gray Matter 28 here. Official time 12:45 Pacific. Sunday, March 25th. Got the team list right here. This is another break of 2011 Bowman Sterling. 3 mini boxes. Still waiting for a couple more people to get their payments in, but I'm going to go ahead and do the video now. Send it out privately until they get their payments in. I'll keep you guys all waiting. There's a team list. Official time, and let's get it done. Empty box. My finger's still extremely messed up from the other day. Pretty bad injury at work. It's slowing me down a little bit, but we'll get it done. And that's empty box. Now we got some new participants today. So, for you guys, just let you know, I always like to use a razor blade. Cut open the packs just so you don't damage the corners. I know some people just rip them open and that could easily bend or damage a card. Okay, there we go. Good luck, everybody. And first up, unnumbered rookie for the Ravens, Anthony Allen. Next up, Roy Halu for the Redskins, another unnumbered rookie. Go ahead and do the relics first. Number 83 out of 299 for the Ravens, Torrey Smith, rookie relic. You can see that it's a refractor, so it's hard to see that number. If you got it there. For the Lions, wide receiver, rookie relic, unnumbered, Titus Young. I believe the Lions is one of the teams still unaccounted for or unpaid for, but I know Wave Lover, so he'll get it in. And the last, number 8 out of 50 for the Jaguars, Mercedes Lewis. Number 8 out of 50. You know what? I believe that's the second Mercedes Lewis out of this box. Also, second Mercedes Lewis auto. The other one wasn't as low number, if I recall. Okay, first up for the Ravens, unnumbered rookie, Jimmy Smith. Wow. Next up for the Ravens, number 4 out of 299, Jimmy Smith, refractor rookie. I don't know if you can see that number. Kind of hard to see in there with the light and these refractors. Super shiny. First relic, rookie relic, unnumbered for the Jets, Bilal Powell. Next, for the Vikings, rookie relic, Kyle Rudolph. Crazy little looking auto right there. Nice one for the 49ers. Rookie auto, Kendall Hunter. Check out that autograph, huh? Pretty strange looking. Almost looks Japanese or something. And the last pack. First up, rookie unnumbered for the Cowboys, Tyron Smith. Next, for the Green Bay Packers, unnumbered rookie, Derek Sherrod. For the Falcons, number 123 out of 299, Julio Jones, rookie relic. Interesting. Another one for the Ravens, rookie relic, Torrey Smith, unnumbered. Man, this was just a Ravens filled 3 little boxes there, huh? And last, autograph relic, rookie relic, for the Raiders, unnumbered, Tywan Jones. A quick recap, we got that. Auto relic for the Raiders. Torrey Smith, rookie relic for the Ravens. Leo Jones, refractor, rookie relic for the Falcons. And Kendall Hunter, rookie auto for the 49ers. Kyle Rudolph, rookie relic for the Vikings. Bilal Powell, rookie relic for the Jets. Mercedes Lewis, rookie auto for the Jaguars. Titus Young, rookie relic for the Lions. And the other Torrey Smith, rookie relic, refractor, once again for the Ravens. Thanks everyone, have a good day.